This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming compatibility and protecting your data. Open About This Mac to note the Mac OS version and model, then run Time Machine or a manual backup to an external drive. Once done, make sure you have at least 50% free disk space and plug the MacBook Air into its charger. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi or Ethernet. This avoids interrupted downloads. Now open System Settings, go to General Software Update, and click Check for Update to begin the download. While the update downloads, watch the progress and estimated time so you can plan. The installer will verify the package automatically. Do not force quit during verification. Close apps that use lots of CPU or disk and save your documents. Auto-save isn't perfect. If you need a clean install or have multiple Macs, consider creating a bootable installer on a USB drive now. Once verification completes, the installer will prompt to restart. Choose a time that won't interrupt important tasks. When you agree to install, your Mac will restart and show installation progress bars. Let it run. Do not close the lid, unplug, or force shutdown. The process can take 20-60 minutes depending on hardware. Once finished, the system completes setup and you'll log in normally. If installation stalls or fails, restart into safe mode to clear caches or reset NVRAM/SMC on Intel Macs, then retry. As a final step, boot to Mac OS Recovery to verify or reinstall the OS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.